So I put it back in, took it all apart. I didn't take a video taking this apart, but take it apart. On the top here, there's 2 screws in the back, and then this thing pushes towards the back. Once you take the screws off, and comes off. There's a side panel on the right hand side that you got to take off to get the motor. All the screws are on the back and the side panel, plus you have 1 screw here for the side panel and 1 screw underneath going up for the side panel. So don't forget these 2 screws, and then that will push back and pop off, and you can get to the motor, which is in the back on this side, on the right hand side when you're facing it. I did not take a video of that. There's some on the internet, but it went in really good. And here's how it sounds now. Nice and quiet. No more squealing. Couple of things. This panel pops off. You can see right here, there's a little divot to put a screwdriver in to pop it out. And then there's 3 screws here that hold it to the bottom washing, clothes washer. On this guy here, I take the panel off. There's 3 screws on that black plate that got to come off. You have your vent down there, if you can see it. That's got to come off. You got to get to it from this side. And then the plug goes underneath here, and you unplug it from there, and it slides out. Hardest part was taking everything apart. It's really not a tedious job. Getting this out required 2 people. It's not heavy, it's just awkward. You don't want to scratch your framing. So I had a friend come over from next door. We did it. We did all the work on that cart. We just moved it over. All came out pretty good. Nice and quiet, make the wife happy, makes me happy. And that's it. So what I'm going to do next is, I have another motor. This is the one I bought. And I got the air conditioner running, so I don't know if you can hear it, but I'll try. I don't know if you can hear that. That's that noise that echoes through. It makes that loud. Same thing, bearing bad. I'm going to fix this one. I'll have a spare. Maybe I'll sell it, keep it, see how these bearings go. But I'm using bearings that go to roller blades or electric scooters. Same part number. It's supposed to be beefier. So hopefully it'll last longer than a year, because it's a pain taking these things apart and putting them back together. Probably all in all, I got about 5 hours into this project. That includes taking the motor out, rebuilding it, and putting it back in. That's it. Got questions? Give me a holler.